Nike's upcoming Air Max 90 PRM Pale Ivory embraces a subtle, lifestyle-oriented design, deviating from the bold stitchwork of the previously revealed Sashiko Zoom Vomero 5 while still echoing its tone. Sandy suede overlays, off-white leather, and woven mesh netting give the pair a natural, breathable feel, complemented by shaggy suede swooshes and neutral mesh liners that emphasize comfort and texture. A soft cream midsole and brown rubber outsole deliver a vintage-inspired finish, grounding the overall aesthetic in earthy tones. Though minimalist in style, the orange Air Max heel stamp offers a subtle pop, visually linking it to the Vomero. Sharing color DNA and material sensibilities, the two silhouettes may form part of a broader pale ivory pack. No official launch date has been set, but the Air Max 90 PRM is expected to drop fall 2025 via Nike.com and select retailers, appealing to fans of refined, heritage-inspired footwear.